Hi friends, today we're going to be learning about how electrons move from objects to objects, how different charges of objects can change, and how they react to each other if they have the same charge or different charges. During this demonstration activity, we are going to need something made out of wool. The only thing I could find right now is wool yarn. So that would work. Also, if you cannot find wool, just a regular sock. So I grabbed a sock of mine out of the sock drawer. You can do that if you don't have wool. You need 2 pieces of string that's equal length. I just cut some of my string from the wool since it would work out for me. So 2 pieces of string of equal length. You need tape and you need 2 balloons. In addition to the other supplies, you also need a table. So I suggest getting your dining room table or an island, and that will be where we hang our balloons from. So if this is too long, a foot of a string, I would say about a foot to cut of your string. If it's too long for your table, then just adjust. Okay, so what I did is I took my string, it could be any kind of string, but since I already had the wool yarn, I just cut and did about a foot of each and made sure they were of equal length. So that's what you need to do first. So you're also going to need some scissors. I did that ahead. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of the balloons and blow them up. So I'm going to do that and come back. I also want to note that you want to make them about the same size as well. So I'm going to zoom out here. And my light has changed a little bit because it's reflecting off the colors, but these are about the same size. So you're going to blow them up and tie them in a knot at the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the one end of the string and you're going to tie it to the balloon. And you're going to do that to both of them. So 1 string per balloon. Now make sure it's nice and tight. And I'm going to do that to the other balloon. Okay. Take the other one. Okay. Having a little trouble with the yarn here. There we go. All right. So then when we tie, they might be a little uneven, so we'll just adjust when we put it on with tape. Nope. There we go. So I have 2 balloons that are tied with string on one side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some tape, and I'm going to tape them about a foot apart. What we're going to do is we're just going to tape it here, just at the edge. And then I'm going to do it about a foot away. So about a foot away. Okay, and I'm going to make sure as I go down, I'm going to adjust the length to make sure they're about the same length, and then I'm going to tape. Okay, so that is our balloons. All right, there are the balloons. We're actually going to start with rubbing just the yellow. You can see that they're about a foot apart, so when they settle, they don't bounce up against each other. Okay, I'm only going to do 1, and let's see what happens. I'm going to do the same to this balloon. Do it a little bit more. Now think about why this would do it when I rub this together, or the sock. Why, if I rub wool or something on the balloon, on one balloon, why do they attract? If I rub it on both balloons, why are they going apart? Why are they repelling? And think about that when we're talking about electricity.